Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today's Friday, February 12, 2021. It is 7:26 and 9 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research is on solar system science, so let's hop to it here. Astronomers confirm solar system's most distant known object is indeed far, far out. Date February 10, 2021. Source NSF's Door Lab. Summary. Astronomers have confirmed that a faint object discovered in 2018 and nicknamed Far, Far Out is indeed the most distant object yet found in our solar system. The object has just received its designation from the International Astronomical Union with the help of the International Gemini Observatory, a program of NSF's Door Lab and other ground-based telescopes. Astronomers have confirmed that a faint object discovered in 2018 and nicknamed Far, Far Out is indeed the most distant object yet found in our solar system. Far, Far Out was first spotted in January 2018 by the Subaru telescope located on Mauna Kea in Hawaii. Its discoveries can tell it was very far away, but they weren't sure exactly how far. They needed more observations. At that time, we did not know the object's orbit, as we only had the Subaru Discovery observations over 24 hours. But it takes years of observations to get an object's orbit around the Sun. All researchers knew was that the object appeared to be very distant at the time of discovery. Researchers now confirm that Far, Far Out currently lies 132 astronomical units AU from the Sun, which is 132 times farther from the Sun than Earth is. For comparison, Pluto is 39 AU from the Sun on average. Far, Far Out is even more remote than the previous solar system distance record holder, which was discovered by the same team and nicknamed Far Out, provisionally designated 2018 VG sub-18. Far Out is 124 AU from the Sun. However, the orbit of Far, Far Out is quite elongated, taking it 175 AU from the Sun at its farthest point and around 27 AU at its closest, which is inside the orbit of Neptune. Because its orbit crosses Neptune's, Far, Far Out could provide insights into the history of the outer solar system. Far, Far Out was likely thrown into the outer solar system by getting too close to Neptune in the distant past. Far, Far Out will likely interact with Neptune again in the future since their orbits still intersect. Far, Far Out is very faint, based on its brightness and distance from the Sun. The researchers estimate it to be about 400 kilometers, 250 miles across, putting it at the low end of possibly being designated a dwarf planet by the International Astronomical Union, IAU. The solar system's most distant known member will receive an official name after more observations are gathered and its orbit becomes even more refined in the coming years. Far, Far Out takes a millennium to go around the Sun once. Because of this, it moves very slow across the sky, requiring several years of observations to precisely determine its trajectory. Far, Far Out discoveries are confident that even more distant objects remain to be discovered on the outskirts of the solar system, and that its distant record might not stand for long. The discovery of Far, Far Out shows our increasing ability to map the outer solar system and observe farther and farther towards the fringes of our solar system. Only with the advancements in the last few years of large digital cameras on very large telescopes has it been possible to efficiently discover very distant objects like Far, Far Out. Even though some of these distant objects are quite large, the size of dwarf planets, they are very faint because of their extreme distances from the Sun. Far, Far Out is just the tip of the iceberg of objects in the very distant solar system. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on galactic space, computer science, and astronomy. Well, hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.